Hi everyone, myself Balamurugan Janakiraman, Research Associate Professor at SRM College of Physiotherapy, SRM Institute of Science and Technology. I hope you're doing good. I'm here to talk about the ongoing conference. Today is the second day. At first day was an exciting experience. Thoroughly enjoyed eminent speakers, surgeons talking about the importance of physical therapy and physiotherapists talking about the importance of surgeon's note. There was a lot of intellectual discussions, and we also happened to see some of the eminent people involved in hand care. And special mention about Dr. Raja Sababadi, and there was Dr. Karthikeyan was here, and he had an excellent session. It was eye-opening for most of the clinicians, and there were a lot of other experts as well who were here. It was fun yesterday, and today promises to be another good day. I hope you have the opportunity to see this conference or the abstract of the conference or something related to this conference anywhere as an e-copy. Special thanks to our Dean, Professor Veera Gautaman, for thinking about this conference and organizing SRM International Hand Conclave 2025. Thank you so much.